Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the third game, Metropolitan Lodge versus AWC in this Interlodge Basketball League, powered by the so-called Ballers. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man, as we go underway on the official tip-off of this matchup. AWC starting with Ortiz, Domingo, Matias, Ramirez, Jeremy and Jerome Ramirez, and Winnie Marshall. Matias, let's get it on as we start this ball game up. As for the Metro Lodge, they will be playing with Pax, Sean, Hassani, Plaza, as he launches his first attempt. They get their second chance points and try to attempt this time. Pump fake takes it closer, and traveling violation will be called against Sean. AWC coming up from a loss against a powerful San Diego team, but they were able to match up with San Diego until the last few minutes. So let's see if they can carry over that momentum. Domingo has to be a factor here in this matchup, no? Let's see, what will they do here? Underneath the basket, scramble for the loose ball, and it will remain with AWC. Time left is 18 minutes. Plaza speeds his way, give and go, back to him, blocked by Ramirez, but he got a piece of the hand and he will be rewarded with 2 free throws. Ramirez with his first personal foul, that is Jerome Ramirez, number 6. And shooting 2 is Ramirez. You are watching SCBL, SoCal Ballers Basketball League Interlodge, as we are still down scoreless for both teams. Plaza on the line, shooting 2. And he misses both free throws. Battle for the loose ball. Ortiz clobbers the board. They will slow things down. Domingo to Matias. Matias back to Domingo. Cross court against a zone defense. Lets it fly, no good, and Plaza controls the board to Pax. Pax trying to dictate the tempo, reverse layup, nothing for them on board, and another foul will be rewarded, this time against Ortiz. The big men are in trouble right now, but it's just the early goings of the first half. Both teams scoreless with 3 minutes here. And Hassani, both teams still feeling each other out, you know. Like in boxing, they still need to pace each other. Let's see what will happen here. And finally, Hassani cracks his first basket, literally. Well, everybody's bleeding for their points as of the moment. Tight defense being shown by both teams. Both teams don't want to lose again. Pax, 3-on-2 situation. At the middle, dishing it. Back to Hassani, and Hassani at the middle. 3 straight points for him coming from the free throw, and this time he converts with a field goal. Matias will facilitate. Back to Ortiz, using the screen from Jeremy Ramirez. Jerome Ramirez grows baseline, gets trapped. Domingo with the runner. Domingo using the board, gets his own miss. Put back, and Ramirez with the offensive rebound. Ortiz clogging the paint. And on the run is Plaza. Plaza sees no opening, back to Sean. Sean, no look pass, and it will be a turnover. 3-0. AWC struggling to make a basket but they're doing a great job underneath the paint as they're clogging it against a bigger Hassani and Plaza in the front court. Domingo will use the half-court set. Back to Matias. Matias will pull the trigger. Too strong, battle for the loose ball. It will go with Pax. Pax looking at his options. Outlet to Sean. Sean, short step. Hassani with the board. Hassani has been aggressive in terms of offensive and defensive rebounding. Plaza back to Pax. Pax at the middle. Directing traffic. Sees an opening. Kicks it out. Wide open. Short. As they will slow things down. That is number 1, Abarca. Domingo manning the point guard duties. Ramirez stuck in traffic. They tap it back to Domingo. He's the sharpshooter of this team. Back to Ortiz, and Ortiz picking up the trash. 3-2, AWC just behind by 1 with 14 minutes and 25. Remember, this is 2 halves with 20 minutes, and it is running time until the last minute of the second half. They cross-court Plaza back to Sean. Sean against the double team. Abarca kicks it out. They swing it around. Plaza left wide open. Plaza front iron. Domingo with the rebound. Domingo pacing it. Sees a defender. Ramirez exploding to the basket. They tap it back, and Pax will prevail on that loose ball. Exciting ball game so far. Both teams feeling each other out. Plaza underneath the basket extends the lead to 3, 5-2, with 13 minutes left here in the first half. Well, for AWC, they need to set up Domingo and Ortiz. No, that's their main bread and butter for their offense. Domingo back to Ortiz against Hassani, 1-on-1. Let's see what will happen here. Cross-court to Matias, and that would be top of the key. That is Domingo tying the ball game at 5. Plaza slow things down. Oh, for substitution at the middle, sir. Mr. Balvin, here at the middle so that Achilles can see him. Hassani behind the back, dribbling from the elbow. All board. We are tied at 5. Substitution. De La Cruz and Balvin in the ball game for Sean and Abarca. Sean, what's your last name, Sean? Sean, what's your last name? Ha? Pacunyo?
Oh, save kami ng Pax.
Pacunyo. De La Cruz, no fear as he drains it all net. Back in the driver's seat, Metropolitan Lodge with that left side jumper with 12 or 13 minutes left here in the three-on-one situation. Plaza will capitalize. 9-4 is our score. As they were able to maximize that play. Domingo back to Matias. Matias, they go at the post to Ortiz. Ortiz against Balvin. And it will remain with AWC. Last touch by Balvin. Pump fake, gets his man off the air. Ramirez gets his own miss. To Matias, left wide open. Short front rim. They throw it back to Pax. Hassani with the jump hook. It's 11-5 in favor of Metropolitan Lodge. They have been banging down the interior. Hindi kumanda. And timeout will be called by AWC.
What's your official time? Winning time mo ah. Minsan 12 minutes, minsan 13. Hindi kasi
just tuned in, Metro Lodge up 11-5 against AWC. This is the Interlodge Basketball League presented by the so-called Ballers. Ball will start with AWC. Who will win in this matchup? AWC struggling here in the early goings of the first half. Let's see if they can convert here as they are just fresh from a timeout. Domingo using the screen. There's a new player for AWC. Ahead of the pack is Pax. Pax will finish. And 13-5. AWC, what's the name of your new player? This number 24?
Carl?
Last name for Carl? Spins and turns. Nothing for him. Taken away by Ramirez. Gets his man off the air. Ramirez thought about it against the bigger Hassani. Ramirez with the Euro. 3-on-1 situation. De La Cruz to Balvin. Alley-oop. They get their own miss. Pax again. Now they're up by 10, 15-5. Domingo at the middle, back to Carl. Carl challenged the defense. Nope. And Ortiz finally, after a long drought, converting. Pax slowing things down. Timeout will be called by Metropolitan Lodge. Number 24, what's your last name? Number 24, come here. What's your last name?
Santiago. Bigla ka nalang pumapasok, hindi namin alam na ano eh. I mean, yeah, pero register here first para at least we know. You know,
Back to the ball game. It will be Metropolitan Lodge. It's gonna be their possession baseline throw in. Back to the ball game is Buna and Sean. Sean Pacunio, if I'm not mistaken. Will pull the trigger and he will knock it down, continuing to add to that lead, 18-7. Santiago Matias facilitating. Ortiz cutting at the middle. Ortiz slicing the defense back to Ramirez. Ramirez pumping up in the air as he converts that basket, cutting the lead to 11, or rather to 9. 18-9. Metropolitan Lodge in the driver's seat at the middle. Plaza navigating his options. De La Cruz takes it closer, dishes it off to Buna, and Buna will not be able to catch it. It will go to the other side. AWC a chance for them to close the gap.
Number 1 is Abarca. Kasi Buna yung nasa
Buna yung number 11.
Okay, pares kasi
Yung si Abarca yung nasa
Barca. Okay. On the free throw line is Ramirez. Sorry for the miscommunication. That's Abarca number 1, no? Is their first name is in their jersey. Benj Abarca. Clarification. Ramirez. 18-10. De La Cruz dancing around his opponent. Abarca using the screen from Plaza, short. A chance for AWC. Domingo left wide open. Will he make it? And he drains it. Domingo with the 3. Abarca pump fake, traveling. Climbing back to the mountain. AWC, let's see if they can make a run. Pump fake, can't get this man off the air. Kicks it out. At the middle, Ortiz. Jump hook. And Ortiz
Sir, last name? Ikaw si Buna. Nakakalito kasi 1 and 1, 11.
Dalawa yung number 1.
Dalawa yung number 1, kaya pala eh. Kala ko ako yung mali, parehas number 1. Kaya nga eh. Ortiz on the run, transition, but look at De La Cruz with the hustle. De La Cruz coming from behind. Sean, eye in the sky play. Bumping and grinding, and that is Plaza. 20-15, AWC down by 5 against Metropolitan Lodge. Well, using their size advantage, Metropolitan Lodge lording over the paint. Santiago, no shooter's bounce for him. Skying high for that board. Kicks it out. Outlet to Sean against Domingo using his right hand. Kisses it off the glass. Ramirez will decide to slow down the pace. Ramirez against Plaza. Crossover, can't shake off his defender. Drops it up to Ortiz. Ortiz with that perimeter jumper. He will convert. De La Cruz, high octane tempo here. However, on that runner, no go for Sean Pacunio. Exploring his options, Domingo to Ramirez. Ramirez against Pacunio, one-on-one, taking it strong to the hole. Finally, Buna in the ball game. 2 number ones, no? Kala ko ako yung mali. Parehas talaga number 1 for Abarca. Yeah, that will reduce the confusion. From the corner, Matias with the haymaker. (20 to 22).
Sapo de 18.
Short for Plaza. Substitution. Hassani back in the ball game to provide some ceiling for Metropolitan Lodge. Now it is going to be a single-digit ball game, 22 to 20. Metropolitan Lodge still up by 2, but let's see for how long. Ramirez finding his options down to Ortiz, and Balvin taking that away. Able to anticipate, that was a good read for Balvin. Plaza to De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Hassani. Quick passing, moving that ball around. They pedal back in. Cross court, Balvin left wide open, no fear, and Balvin all net for Balvin. A breather for them, 25 to 20. AWC trying to mount a comeback here. Santiago trying to take it closer, kicks it out. Domingo all board. Balvin again, timely cleaning up the board. Balvin finds Hassani down low. Hassani goes to work, short, tracks down his own miss, and it will go to AWC as the last touch by Hassani with 3 minutes and 14 remaining here in the first half. Tight ball game as we speak. 2-possession ball game. Domingo will set the tone, top of the key, back iron, and Abarca controlling the loose ball to Plaza. Plaza underneath the basket, and he will convert, making it a 7-point game, 27 to 20. Slowly but surely, Metropolitan Lodge building that lead. Ramirez against Abarca, slicing the defense, corner 3, and Domingo connects from long distance. It's a 3-point shot, yes sir. 23 to 27, 4-point game. 2 minutes and 15 remaining. De La Cruz at the middle, finds Balvin. Balvin from way downtown. Foul will be called against Abarca. Yeah, that's confusing. Abarca number 11. See, even me, I'm confused. No? Even the referees are confused. 11, yeah.
11 yung isa. 1 ako.
Oo, kasi nga, dalawang number 1 eh. But yeah, we'll try to do our best, huh? We'll try to do our best because but Santiago dazzling us with his spin move. Making it a 2-point game. Is it counted? Yes, sir. And it will be a chance for them for a 3-point play. Santiago, what an amazing move. Able to deflect his defenders, pulling out a Houdini trick right there. Short, however, unable to complete the 3-point play. Pax back in the ball game. Well, he needs to use his speed and quickness against that the fast-paced Santiago manning the backcourt. But De La Cruz will also be a factor here. Baseline throw-in, 47 seconds left. Remember, this is running time. corner. Abarca with a hand on his face. Drills it. There's a three-point shot for Abarca. Disregarding the defense. Punishing it. 30-25. Too strong on that attempt. De La Cruz navigating his options at the elbow. Hassani, but Plaza is there to clean up the boards. 32-25. Domingo against De La Cruz will try to throw a Hail Mary. And that's the end of the first half. Metropolitan Lodge 32, AWC 25. We'll be right back after this first half halftime break.